In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a section smaller on Squarespace. If your page feels a little too tall or there's extra space that doesn't serve your content, trimming a section's height is quick and precise. We'll walk through it together so you know exactly what to look for and how to get consistent results across your site. Start by opening your site and clicking Website. Then click Edit. This puts you into the editing view where you can interact directly with the page. You'll notice that elements highlight as you move your cursor, which is a good sign you're in the right mode. Next, head to the section you want to make smaller. A section is the full-width band that contains your content blocks, like text, images, or buttons. Think of it as the horizontal slice of your page. When you're on the right section, hover over it and click to select it. You'll see the section's borders appear, outlining the entire area. That border is your cue that any adjustments you make will affect the whole section, not just a single block. Now move your cursor to the very bottom edge of the selected section. As you hover near the bottom border, a small drag handle icon will appear. Depending on your template, it may look like a line with dots or a subtle grip indicator. If you don't see it immediately, inch your cursor along the bottom edge until it pops up and make sure you're still in edit mode. Click and hold that drag handle, then drag upward to reduce the height of the section or downward to add a bit more breathing room. As you drag, watch the content inside the section respond in real time. This makes it easy to find the sweet spot where your text still reads comfortably and your images have the spacing they need without leaving unnecessary blank space. If the movement feels jumpy, pause for a second and let Squarespace catch up. It often snaps to clean spacing intervals to keep your layout neat. A couple of quick tips while you drag: aim for consistent spacing from section to section so your page flows smoothly, and keep an eye on how elements wrap as the section shrinks. Squarespace is responsive, so your changes will adapt across devices, but choosing a balanced height now helps maintain a professional look everywhere. And there you go. You've selected your section, found the drag handle, and adjusted the size to fit your design. That's all.